We chose this one. We spent about 2 years looking for RVs, and this was the one that suited our needs specifically. As you know, we're just getting ready to retire, and we were looking for something that we could tow easily from place to place, and it does that, and it gives us tons of space inside. And it's, you know, I spent my entire adult life as a carpenter and a mechanic and a draftsman, and I was very critical about the quality in RVs, and this was the one that suited my purposes specifically, that I knew I could take care of it. And I actually haven't had to do very much since I've had it. It's been pretty trouble-free. If you know, you do your homework on it, it's really not that bad to deal with it. The price was right, the people we bought it from were great, the service so far has been terrific. I can't say enough good about it. I mean, people like the way it looks. I mean, I think it looks great behind my truck, and you know, my neighbors all think, you know, it looks cool, so.